Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can on aplusstudents.com select math from the subject tab, then go to grade 5 and find the chapter that is fractions and mixed numbers. And the topic we're going to start with is fractions review. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important definitions and examples as well. So let's start with fraction reviews. So let me write down the example and then we'll start with an example. So the first example is what percent of the shape is, and you need to see what percent of the shape is green. The topic, I have already written the topic name on the board, that is fraction reviews from grade 5. Net Maggie, it is fraction reviews from grade 5. Got it? You can find the lesson on aplusstudents.com. And the chapter we are working on is fractions and mixed number. And the lesson name is fractions review. Got it? Okay, so you need to find what fraction of the shape is red. Got it? I colored it red. Okay, so basically first you have to count the number of total parts of the shape. Got it? So the shape has total 3 parts. Got it? Now you need to see out of 3 how many of them are red. So just one is red. Yes, so you can write the fractional form. So the fraction is 1 over 3. That means that out of 3, just 1 is colored. Got it? So it would be in the fractional form, you can write it as 1 over 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is, let's do another example. You have another shape. It looks like this. So the shape has 2 of the portions colored as yellow. So you need to write what fraction of the shape is yellow. So what would be the answer? The total portions in a shape are 3, and out of the 3, how many of them are yellow? Yes, out of 3, 2 are yellow. So you can write the answer in fractional form as 2 over 3, right? Because the shape has the total portions 3, and out of the 3, 2 are colored. So it would be 2 over 3. Got it? Okay, now let's start with the practice questions. Okay, so here is the topic fraction reviews from grade 5, and here is the test. Let's start with the practice questions. Got it? Fractions of the parallelograms are yellow. So what you have to do first, you have to count the total number of parallelograms. Got it? So how many parallelograms do we have? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So total parallelograms we have are 9. Got it? Now we need to count how many of them are yellow. So how many parallelograms are yellow? Out of the 9, how many of them are yellow? 1, 2, and 3. That means 3 of the what fractions of the parallelogram are yellow or purple? You need to count yellow one and the purple one too. So 3 of them are yellow and 2 of them are purple. Got it? That means total 5 of them are either yellow or purple. So the answer is, which is the correct option, 2 by 4 or 5 by 9? So the correct option is, the correct option is 5 by 9. Very good, because the total parallelograms are 9, and out of the 9, 5 of them are either yellow or purple. Got it? Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What fractions of the squares are not green? First, you have to count the total number of squares. So the total number of squares are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have total 4 squares. And the squares that are not green are, not green are 1, 2, 3. So that means out of 4, 3 of them are not green. So the fraction is, the fraction is 3 over 4. Got it? Out of 4, 3 of them are not green. So the correct option is 3 by 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, very good. Okay, what fractions of the tubs are green? Let's just count the total number of tubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of them, total tabs are 11. And out of the 11, just 1 is green. So which is the correct option? Very good. It is 1 over 11. Okay, what fractions of the shape is red? So the red is 1 over 2. Very good. So out of the 2, just 1 is red. So it would be 1 over 2. Got it? Okay, what fraction of the shape is pink? The correct option is 3 over 7. Got it? The total portions are 7. And out of the 7, 3 of them are pink. It make it is 7, 3 out of 7. Yes, very good. What fractions of the suitcases are either green or orange? So you need to count green and orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 1, 2, 3, green or orange. 1, oh, sorry, just 1 is orange. Sorry, I counted yellow one. And 1, 2, 3 of them are green. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Either it is 4 over 10 or 2 over 5. Got it? Let me just explain what do it means. 4 over 10. So basically the answer is 4 over 10. Got it? You have to write answer in a simplest form. So for the simplest form, you have to divide it by a common number. So the common number 4 and 10 both are in table of 2. So you can divide them by 2. Got it? So it would be 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 5 is 10. Got it? So it would be 4 over 10 or 2 over 5. Easy answer. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. More help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's start with the next topic. The next topic is reciprocals. Got it? Let me write the lesson topic name on the board. The next topic is reciprocals. Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is reciprocals. So I'm going to write the definition of the reciprocals on the board. Please note down the definitions. So first of all, we're going to see what is reciprocals. So the reciprocals is switching numerator and denominator. So basically, the reciprocal is what we have to do is simply switch the numerator and denominator. Got it? For example, you have a fraction that is 4 over 5. So its reciprocal is, you have to switch both of them. It would be now 5 over 4. Got it? Here it is numerator, but here it is denominator. Here it is numerator and here it is denominator. Got it? That's what reciprocal means. Got it? It would be interchanging, either you can say switching numerator, denominator, or interchanging. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. The other example is what is reciprocal of 6 over 9? So what would be the reciprocal then? It would be, you have to switch the numerator and denominator. So it would be 7 over 6. Got it? Okay, the next one is, yes, very good. It would be 7 over 6, not 7 over 9. You just have to interchange both the values. Okay, now the next one is 2 by 9. So what would be the reciprocal? It would be 9 over 2. Got it? You just have to switch both the values, numerator and denominator. So if it is 2 by 9, then the reciprocal is 9 over 2. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 2 over 3? So which is the correct option? The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is, yes, very good. It is 3 over 2. You just have to switch numerator and denominator. Very good. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? it would be 5/2. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 4/5? The reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. Got it? You just have to switch both the values, so it would be 5/4. Okay, so the next one is what is the reciprocal of 5/9? Okay, the next one is what is the reciprocal of 5/9? So the correct option is so it would be 9/5. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the reciprocal of 3/5? So it would the reciprocal of 3/5 be it is 5/3. Got it? The next one is what is the reciprocal of 3/8? So the correct option is it would be 8/3. Got it? The next one is what is the reciprocal of 9/2? So the reciprocal of 9/2 is 2/9. Got it? The next one is what is the reciprocal of 7/10? So it would be 10/7. Got it? If you know the correct option answers, please write the answers in the chat box. Your communication is highly appreciated. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic, and the next topic is graph and compare fractions on number line. So now you have to compare the compare the fractions on the number lines. Got it? So let's start with an example. So start with the next topic, that is compare graph and compare fractions on the number line. Okay, now let's start with the first example. Graph 1 over 2 and 1 over 6. So let me write it down on board. You have to graph 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. 1 over 2 and 1 over 6. Okay, so here you can see both the numbers on number line. Okay, so here is a number line for 1 over 2. Let me draw the number line on board. So 1 over 2 means our line has the total two portions, 0, 1 and 2. Out of the 1 over 2, the half one is the colored 1 over 2. So it would be 0, 1 over 2 and 1. Sorry, not 1 and 2. Basically, you can see that portion has the two lines. Two line has the two portions. So it would be 0, 1 over 2 and 1. Got it? Here is 1 over 2. Okay, then 1 over 6. 1 over 6 means a line has total 6 portions. 0, 1 over 6. Sorry, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6. Let me. Okay, here is 3 over 6. Here is 6 over 6, or either you can say 1. So it would be 1 over 6, then 2 over 6, 3 over 6, then here you have 4 over 6, and then here you have 5 over 6. Okay, then the second number is 1 over 6. Here you have 1 over 6. You have to compare both the fractions. So um, how can you compare? You need to see which of one is smaller. So is smaller, 1 by 6 or 1 by 2? You can see the number line. 1 by 6 is smaller or 1 by 2 is smaller? 1 over 6 is less than 1 over 2, isn't it? Just look at this one. Both of the lines are exactly equal in length. Got it? So 1 by 6 is just this one from here to here, but the half 1 of 2 is from here to here. That means 1 by 6 is less than 1 over 2. Got it? So it would be 1 over 6 is less than 1 over 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is graph 1 by 2 and 1 by 12. Got it? Now you have to graph 1 over 2 and 1 over 10. You can see here both of them are graphed. This one is 1 over 2 and this one is 1 over 12. Got it? So you need to see which one is greater and which one is smaller. So which is smaller? 1 by 12 is less than 1 by 2. Got it? You can see the numbers through the number line. See, here is the distance between 0 and here is the distance between 0 and 1 over 2. Here is 1 over 12. Got it? So 1 over 12 is much smaller than 1 over 2, isn't it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, the next one is graph 3 over 5 and 3 over 10 on number line. Got it? So first of all, you have to graph 3 by 5 and then 3 over 10. So let me just draw the number lines 3 over 5 and 3 over 10. You can draw them on the same number line, but before drawing them on the same number line, you have to make the denominator same. Got it? Okay, so here you have the fractions are 3 by 5 and 3 over 10. Okay, the fractions are 0 and 1, 3 over 5. So it would be 1 over 5 2 over 5, 3 over 5, and 4 over 5, then 5 over 5 makes 1. Got it? Either 5 by 5 or either you can write it 1. Got it? Then you have 3 by 10, 0 and 1. So it would be 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10, 7 over 10, 8 over 10, and 9 over 10. And then you have 10 over 10, or either you can say it 1. Got it? It would be same. So the first one we have is 3 over 10 and 3 over 5. Here you have 3 over 10 and here you have 3 over 5. So which one is smaller? You can see by the number lines which one is smaller. 3 by 10 is less than 3 over 5. Got it? 3 over 10 is less than 3 over 5. So the question is graph the number line and which one is greater. So which one is greater? 3 over 5 is greater. Got it? You can see on the number line 3 over 10, 3 over 5 is greater than 3 over 10. So 3 over 5 is greater. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which graph 5 by 3 and 5 by 6 on the number line? Which number is greater? Got it? You need to see. So now I'm going to explain by making their denominators same. Got it? 5 by 6 and 5 by, we can then plot them on a same number line. 5 by 3 by 5 and 3 by 3, 5 by 3 and 5 over 6. Okay, you have 5 by 3 and 5 by 6. First of all, you have to make their denominator same. You have already done like fractions in grade 4. Got it? You just have to review them. So the greater number, his denominator is 6. You have to make the smaller denominator equal to the greater one. Got it? So it would be, you did 3 times what number makes 6? 3 times 2 makes 6. So you need to multiply this fraction by 2. Got it? So it would be 2 times 5 and divided by 2 times 3. So it would be 2 times 5 is 10, 10 over 6, and then it is 5 over 6. Got it? So 10 over 6 and 5 over 6. Now you have to plot them on the same number line. Got it? Let me just plot them on same number line. Okay, so here is a number line and you have to plot them on the number line. Okay, you have 0, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6, then you have 6 over 6 or either 1. Got it? Then you have 7 over 6, then you have 8 over 6, then you have 9 over 6, and then you have 10 over 6. Got it? So you have to plot them on the number lines. So here you have 5 over 6, and here you have 10 over 6, or either you can say 10 over 6 or 5 over 3. So which one is smaller and which one is greater? 5 by 6 is less than 10 over 6, isn't it? So 5 over 6 is less than 10 over 6. Got it? So the smaller one is the greater, you need to see. The greater one is 5 over 3. Got it? This way you can plot the fractions on the same number line. Got it? Okay, now the next one is graph 3 over 2 and 3 over 4. So you can see here you have 3 over 4, and when you make the denominator same, so it would be 6 over 4. So here you have 3 over 4 and here you have 6 over 4. So which of them is greater? 6 over 4 or 3 over 2 is greater. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 2 by 5 and 2 by 10 on the same. So if I have to make the number, their denominator same, 2 by 5 and 2 over 10. 2 over 5 and 2 over 10. So 5 times 2 makes 10. So just multiply this fraction by 2. So it would be 2 times 2 and 5 times 2. So that would be 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 times 2 is 10. Got it? You have to plot 4 by 10 and 2 by 10. Got it? So here you have 2 by 10 and here you have 4 by 10. So which one is smaller? 2 over 10 is smaller. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next graph 4 by 3 and 4 by 8 on the number line. Which of them is greater? So make their denominators same, 4 by 3 and 4 over 6. So 3 times what number makes 6? 3 times 2 makes 6. So just multiply this fraction by 2. It would be 2 over 3 times 2. So it would be 4 times 2 is 8 and 3 times 2 is 6. It would be 8 over 6 or 4 over 6. So just plot them on the number line. So the number line is, here you have 4 over 6 and here you have 8 over 6. So which one is greater? Obviously 8 by 6 is greater. Either you can say 4 by 3 is greater. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Just moving on to the next topic. So the next topic is, let me write down the lesson name on the board. The lesson name is Compare Fractions Using Benchmarks. Let's start with compare fractions using benchmark. Got okay. Let's start with the next lesson, that is compare fractions using benchmarks. Okay, so let's start with the examples. Compare each fraction in benchmark. So basically, the benchmark is 1. You have to compare both the fractions to 1. Got it? 7 by 5 to 1 and 2 by 3 is to 1. 1 is actually the benchmark. Got it? Once a benchmark, you need to compare both the fractions to benchmark 7 over 5 and 2 over 3. Got it? So you need to see which one is greater, 7 over 5 and 2 over 3. So you have to compare 7 by 5 to 1 and then 2 over 3 to 1. Let's just compare. Okay, 7 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 7 out of 5. So all the 5s are colored and the 2 are colored. Got it? So it would be 7 over 5. And for the 1, it is 1. So which one is greater? 1 is greater or 7 over 5 is greater? Obviously 7 over 5 is greater. Here you have the extra portion than 1. So 7 over 5 is greater than 1. Got it? Now you need to look 2 over 3. 1, 2. Okay, here you have 2 over 3. You have to compare 1 and 2 over 3. This is 1 and this is 2 over 3. So 1 is greater than, sorry, only 2 of them are colored. 1 is greater than 2 over 3 or less than 2 over 3. 1 is 2 by 3 is, just look at the 2 by 3. This is 2 over 3. 2 by 3 is less than 1 over 3 or greater than 1. Sorry, you have to compare it to 1. 2 by 3 is less than 1. Got it? See, only this portion is colored for 2 by 3. But for 1, the whole 1 is colored. So 2 by 3 is less than 1. Got it? So the way the benchmark is 1, you compared both the fractions with benchmark. Now you need to see both the fractions, 7 over 5 and 2 over 3. Okay, now just look at this one. This is 7 over 5 and this is 2 over 3. So 7 over 5 is greater than 2 over 3. Got it? 7 by 5 is greater than 1 and 2 by 3 is greater than 1, because one of them is greater than 1 and one of them is less than 1. That means 7 by 5 is less than 2 over 5 because it is greater than 1. Got it? So 7 over 5 is greater than 2 over 3. Let's start with the practice questions. Okay, 6 by 4 and 6 by 8. 6 by 4 and 6 by 8. The benchmark is 1. 6 by 4 and 6 by 8. Okay, 6 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4. 6, 4 over 6 over 4. Sorry, 6 over 4, not 4 over 6. Yes, it is 6 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6 of them are colored. Here you have 4 and here you have 2 extra. Got it? But the one is just this. This one is just 1. Got it? So which one is greater? 6 over 4 is greater than 1. Got it? Okay, now 6 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 6 over 8, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, out of 8, 6 are colored. So 6 by 8 is greater than 1 or less than 1? For the one, the whole one is colored. Got it? So 6 by 8 is less than 1. So 6 by 4 is greater than 1 and 6 by 8 is less than 1. That means 6 by 4 is greater than 6 over 8. Got it? So it would be mm, that's greater, less, and greater. This one is greater, less, and greater. 6 by 4 is greater than 1. 6 by 8 is less than 1. But 6 by 4 is greater than 6 over 8. Got it? Okay. Okay, now 1 by 3 is greater than 1 over 2. 1 by 3, 1 over 2, 5 by 5, 1 over 2. Okay, 1 by 3 and 1 over 2. The benchmark is now 1 over 2. Got it? 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 5 and 1 over 2. Got it? So 1 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, out of 3, just 1 is colored. But this is 1 over 2. So which is greater? 1 by 3 is greater or 1 by 2 is greater? 1 by 2 is greater. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Got it? Now 5 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 5 are colored. Okay. 5 over 5 is greater than 1 by 2 or less than 1 by 2? 5 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. Got it? So if you compare both the fractions 5 by 5 and 1 by 3, so then 5 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. Got it? So it would be less, greater, greater. Less 1 by 3, and sorry, 1 by 3 is written first. So 1 by 3 is less than 5 by 5. Got it? 1 by 3 is less than 5 by 5. So it would be greater, less, greater, and less. So the correct option is this one. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 by 2 to 1, 3 by 8 to 1, and 3 by 2 and 3 by 8. Got it? So 3 by 2 is greater than 1 but 3 by 8 is less than 1. So then 3 by 2 is greater than 3 over 8. So it would be greater, less, or greater. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is greater than 1 by 2, but 1 by 5 is less than 1 by 2. So then 6 by 8 is greater than 1 by 5. So it would be the first option. Got it? So you have so many ways to compare the fractions. You have done all the ways earlier. Got it? So if you don't know how to do it with the benchmark, you can compare the fractions without the benchmark. Like 3 by 2 is greater than 1. 2 over 6 is less than 1. So that means then 3 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. Got it? Okay, if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. So we have covered 4 of the topics today, and the topics are they are all from the same chapter, that is fractions and mixed numbers, and the lesson names are fraction review, reciprocals, graph and compare fractions on number lines, and the last one is compare fractions using benchmarks. Got it? So that's all for today. If you need more help, please go to Skype, contact any tutor on the Skype. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. That's all for today. Also, if you find the session helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.